So today we want to cover the first lesson of college algebra. That is the basics of algebra. And this one also, I don't think say I go able to cover inside one video. I think it go most probably take more than one video. And I want to set my targets for make 15 minutes video. Like I know each video for be 15 minutes max as average, for a long pass mark. So probably this also the first topic, basics of algebra, and therefore divide into at least 2 or 3 videos most probably before we go move on to the next topic inside college algebra. So this topic basically now for we get basic understanding of how we deal with algebra and algebraic expressions, how we deal with them. Within algebraic expression are a collection of letters and symbols combined with at least one of the arithmetic operations. So like plus, minus, times, divide. For example, 2x plus y minus 3, that is an algebraic expression. And the same way, 3ab squared minus c, that one also is an algebraic expression. So before we move on, one thing for notes now that's mostly inside algebraic expressions, the sign of multiplication and the sign of division, we not can write them down, but we have to understand for say in Kinede. For example, a times b, we can just write them as ab. That is how we say a times b. And also a divided by b, we would write them as a upon b, return them to fraction. So now that's the concept where we need to understand as we move ahead. So instead of wasting time on explanations, let's go straight to the first subtopic, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So let's come to the addition and subtraction. So before moving on to the problems and solutions, let's get at these concepts for say, while we add or subtract inside algebraic expressions, we can only able for add and subtract like terms for let we able for give a single term. This we can often call them or refer to them as collecting like terms. For example, 2x plus 4x can able for this one, since we see say now the same, can able give 6x. If we see say it's now 3x plus 2y, this one and this one they not be the same again, not to like terms. So therefore we not go able for do them anything. Instead now the final answer is we not able to simplify them further. If you ask why this be so, then think of them this way. You get a table and on top the table you get 4 pencil and 2 books where they lay on the table. So we're not able for add. For example, we get 3 books and 2 pencils. We're not able add 3 books to 2 pencils because they not be the same type. You know, can you say if you get 3 books and you get 2 pen, then can and give you 2 pencil, how much you go get? How much you go get? Now 3 books and 2 pencils, so it will still remain the same way. But if you then say you get 2 books and they can give you 4 more books, you can say now you get 6 books. So that way you understand the concept. So now we get an example question. Let's not waste time and let's go straight to the solution. So from here, what did you see? You see we get different kinds of values, different types of terms. We get 5x, 4, minus 9y, 3x, 2y, minus 7. So how you go deal with this? The first step you need for take now for bring the like terms together. Before you collect the like terms or before you combine the like terms, you need to bring them together so that you get a clear vision of all the like terms and all the unlike terms. So for example, we start with this, we begin with some 5x. Then we look for the other number way similar this one. Okay, plus, notes for say this value na get the plus, this value na get the minus, this value na get the plus, this one gets once any symbol not there automatically plus for there, and the plus mostly can be invisible. So 3x. Now we'll not get any other similar value, so we then move on to the next kind of value. We'll get plus 4. Plus 4, any other one? This one no, yes, minus 7. Okay, what's in the next value? Minus 9y. And what's in the next similar? Okay, plus 2y. So by this, we don't bring together the like terms. You see this, eh? We don't bring them together. So now so we do them. So 5x plus 3x, they give we 8x. And plus 4 minus 7, they give we minus 3. You can use your calculator. You don't need for strain for use your fingers for calculate this one. Within a university, calculator is allowed to be used. You just type plus 4 minus 7. You will give the answer minus 3. Minus 3. So minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 will give you the answer minus 7y. So now that's for B we answer. Mostly how we can write algebraic expressions, we can take the heavier values, we bring them front side, and we take the lighter values, we bring them to the end side. Now for example here, these and these, this and this one, they carry a variable. So they're heavy past the one way empty. So after that, we consider that's the alphabetical order of the appearance of the letter inside the alphabet. So x appear before y, so we write 8x, then minus 7y, then minus 3. So that's how we go about forget this. Yeah, we get another question. So I already don't explain how to go about so let me speed up this. This now another simple one. 4x, 2y, 3x, 3y. So we say 4x, we look for the other one plus 3. Now this one on the left plus 2y, we look for the other one plus 5 plus 5y. Now we say equals to, okay, sorry, I forget the x now, mistake. Okay, so 4x plus 3x, they give you automatically 7x, and 2y plus 5y, automatically, and they give you plus 7y. So this one, now we answer this. So let me quickly look at another kind of question. This also is very easy. Let me separate this. So this one, how you go about for the one. Now that's not the same thing. You combine the like terms, and yeah, we see say this now x square and this now x. They are not the same. They are not the same at all. Do not make the mistake there ever. You see this one? We know see no power now. Automatically for nothing it is raised to the power 1, but the one it is insignificant, so it is just kept invisible. You know this yam in but you know this yam. So x square is not the same as, let me explain on there. X square is not the same as x raised to the power 1, and x raised to the power 3 is not the same as x raised to the power 2 or x raised to the power 1. The same way, x raised to the power 4 is not the same as x raised to the power 2 or x raised to any other power. So now that's who writes x square, would they say plus, this one x square, now the same. This one, you know, matter, this, same. Okay, so 2x square plus the one we don't left with plus x. So we say is equal to x square plus 2x square. This one automatically we need for consider, say always it gets that invisible one. So this equals to 3x square plus x. We see the variable there, and you know, see any number in front of the variable, always automatically you assume say the 1 is there and gets 1 in front of them. So this now will be the final answer as a result of this question. Here we have another question which asks 2n plus m plus 9m minus n minus 2m. Let me see how we solve this one. So 2n, we write the first value. We look for the second one, we're similar. They see minus n, okay, minus n. After that, any other one? No, we not see any other similar value. So we come to the next one, plus m plus 9m minus 2m. So let's say this one. So it's not say as you see minus 1, it automatically they know say 1 there in front of the n. So this will be 2n minus 1n. So the n and they combine together, and the 2 minus 1 is, the 2 minus 1 leaves us with 1. So we get 1n, the n, you write some, so you don't need to write the 1. So you get 9m plus 1m, where they give you about 10m minus 2m, which is equal to n plus 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2, where they give you 8m. So since m they appear before n, we they count some, so 8. You see, say this is not get signed automatically, you know, so plus 8m plus n, 8m plus n. This could be we answer. So let we look at another question with a high rate of difficulty. So solution. Now they see this one include powers as well and in long. So in simple, you say 3c squared, you write them down, 3c squared. You look for any other number with similar. You see this one c squared minus 4c squared, and then you look for no other one. So the next value we get now 7cd. So any other value similar, has no other value similar, so this one we don't left with, and so they really look down. So 3c squared minus 4c squared, they give we, when I use a calculator, when I calculate, and they give we minus c squared minus 1. So the one we don't need for right hand, we just assume we know say in the day. So like this one and this one, you know, they mix cd and d. Cd and d not be the same, so they know they add. So 5d. So now so this answer the left. Let write some clear one. Minus c square plus 7cd plus 5d. Now so this answer the left. So we get another interesting question, and with this I'm posting look. Wow. So let's start with this. We get 3cd5. Which one else there? We get cd5. cd raised to the power 5. This one not to cd na dc. This one a cd5. Okay. So they bring and come now. This one will come now. 2cd5. Any other CDs? Any other CDs? No other CDs. So let's come back with the value 5dc raised to the power 5. And the next value after this one and DC, now this one, you say 5dc raised to the power 5, and then minus 3dc raised to the power 5. So let's solve this. CD5, they combine. 3 plus 2, they give you 5. So we get 5 CD5. You clear, right? CD5, 3 plus 2, 5. So 3. So 5 CD square raised to the power 5. The next one, this one. So 5dc raised to the power 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, they give you 6. 6 minus 3, they see this, now the same values. Similar values. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So we get plus 3dc5. So when I go use calculator, when I say 5 plus 1 minus 3, go give the answer plus 3. So no need for string, just use calculator, and this will be the final answer. So now that's not the time. It don't reach 15 minutes already. So now that's not in the time for today's lesson. We just don't cover one subtopic about 5 other subtopics, I think, under this topic, then they will remain. So now for 15 minutes videos. Now what I want before the next video, I want Layman them try for do these assignments now 6 questions, and it go benefits you. Una try una practice these questions. Una go copy the question, una solve the question, and then una go send me the answer them. Una go snap and send me na WhatsApp by my number the answer them way una go get for these the solutions. So the man that would then go try go perform well by the assignments. Go make sure say mention them, publish the name of them in the group, and comment them for the hard work and the try where they don't try for solve the assignments and send. So I think in the time for today. Next time we'll continue for discuss the subtopic of multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. So till then, God bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.